Hi, good morning. It's 5 a.m. and mamaya pupunta na kami ng Japan. But the thing is, hindi pa ako nakapag-impake. Mamayang 7. My gosh, 2 hours na lang. Wala akong time kagabi para mag-impake. I'm so tired. I was working and ngayon pala ako mag-impake. Look. Nasa gadgets pa lang ako. Wala pa ako sa damit. Kaya ko to. Hi! So, kakatapos ko lang mag-pack. It's 6:30 a.m. and this is my outfit. Hati kami ng ate ko sa bagahe. Akin tong top portion and sa kanya tong bottom. Hindi ko na napakita, pero onti lang yung gamit ko. Kasi nga, it's summer and I don't need to think about what I should wear because it's the same here in the Philippines, you know? So, ito yung outfit ko and I love this Teva sandals. I love it so much. It goes with anything. Tapos pwede pa siya pang hike, outdoor activities and stuff. And mag-hike kami. Okay? We'll go hiking. So, ito lang yung shoes na dadalhin ko. Tapos, may bag. Mag-what's in my bag ba tayo? Sige, pwede naman. Basta may dala na akong bagong babasahing libro. A backpack. And punta na tayo airport.
Hi, it's 1 p.m. and as you can see, nasa plane na tayo and himpapawid na tayo. Gawa tayo ng what's in my bag. First is ito yung sa start kong libro ngayong flight, The Diary of a CEO. Tapos kanina, as you can see, bago pa siya, tapos kaka-tape ko lang ng sides. I never read a book nang hindi ko tinatape yung sides. Sobrang nako-conscious ako. Okay, next. Of course, my passport and my boarding pass. And then my travel wallet. Ito yung travel wallet ko. It's from Bleu. Ito yung travel wallet ko lagi. Pag saan ako pupunta, kasi it's very compact, very handy. Tapos dito yung mga coins. Tapos cards. Tapos cash kung meron. Diba? Like, ito na yun. Isang maliit na ganyan. I have my tissue. Then I have my power bank. And then, syempre, yung DJI ko, I'm filming on right now. Nandito din yan. Ito yung kasama, yung case ng DJI ko. Tapos, may Digicam. Pero, kakainis kasi hindi gumagana yung flash nito. Pero gumagana siya. Like to. Ayan, diba? It took a picture pero wala siyang flash. And then, floss. Lipstick from Bare & Bliss. Parang yung magic lipstick na ganito yung kulay. Yung transparent yung kulay. Pero once you apply it on your lips, magkakaroon siya ng kulay. Look, check nyo. Tingnan nyo. Oh, diba? Natural. So, I like the packaging. It's very sleek. Sleek lang siya. Classic, sleek, simple. Susi ko sa bagahe. That's what's in my bag. Ito yung dadalhin ko almost every day when we go out.
Meanwhile,
So, we have just arrived at Narita Airport and nasa Boba na kami. Lobos kami ng customs, immigration. So, Boba na kami and we got our Suica card. Ito lang yan. Wait lang, papakita ko. Pagkababa nyo dito, T3. Wait. Terminal 3. Galing kami doon sa taas, tapos bababa. And then, dumiretso kami here. Ito na yung pa-train station. Dito. Tapos, you can get your cards dito sa machine na to. And you'll have your Suica cards. Yun, pang-commute yun. Very helpful kapag dito sa Japan. And, pang-tourist to. Meron silang sarili kapag taga dito sila. Pero pag pang-tourist, meron silang ganito. Tapos, kakain muna kami sa 7-Eleven bago mag-train. 8 pa naman. It's 7:41. 7-Eleven. Ano hinahanap mo, Mami?
Egg.
Itlog.
Yay!
Ikaw, Ailo.
salmon.
Salmon. I'll have salmon as well. Ano ate? Anong ginagawa mo?
Eating leftovers.
Eating leftovers. Dapat kinakain yan.
Technique ata pagbukas ito.
Ano yan? Tingin, patikim. Ikaw nga. Patikim? Ako din, patikim. Ah. Parang ketchup. Okay, we'll try the... Habang nag-uwi tayo ng train, because it's 15 minutes pa bago dumating. Gonna be 8:08, it's 7:54 pa lang. So, kainin natin yung binili natin from 7-Eleven. Good thing here, on time sila lagi sa kung anong sinabi nilang time. So, if you expect na 8:08 sila darating, they will arrive at 8:08. Wow! Kulang na lang ng toyo. Kiko man. Limona and milk tea. Tataba tayo dito, kakatikim eh.
1 hour later.
So yes, we're from the airport and lalakad pa kami. Siyempre nag-Google Maps lang kami. Nag-train from the airport, nag-train lang kami and it took us for more than an hour to get here in Tokyo. Nasa Ogikubo kami ngayon. Tapos, ayun, pupunta kami mall. Ay, grocery. Okay. Bakit?
Tubig?
Ayan. Water? Ayan. Inakit ni Mami yung cart. Hi. Fresh from airport. I don't know where, anong mall tayo or grocery. Seiyu pala, Seiyu. Alak agad. Sake. Where's the sake though? Napansin ko dito, mahilig sila mag-electric fan. Ay, fan na maliit, yung portable fan. Pero hindi sila mahilig sa Jisoo Life. Wala pa ako nakikita. Ay, oo nga, maingay pala yung Jisoo Life. Wala pa ako nakikita ng Jisoo Life dito. Or yung sa katulad sa atin. No? Yung nga pala, kasi maingay yun. And they don't like maingay. Lalo na in public. Oo nga pala. Okay, I'll be trying this one. Parang yogurt. Mukha namang yogurt. So, feel ko yogurt naman siya. Butter. Butter.
Salted.
Okay. Sa grocery nila, meron silang sariling bagging area. Yung consumer or yung customer, yung magbabag. Bagging area. Ayan. So, may plastic dito. And syempre, pinapromote nila yung sarili mong eco bag. I love Japan. Yeah, after grocery, maglalakad kami for 700 meters to get to our Airbnb. And ang cute ng mga bicycle rack parking nila. Ang hilig nila sa gantong kind of bicycles. Ano sila? Yun yung patok sa kanila dito kasi nga one of their main modes of commute and travel, especially in Tokyo. Maraming kainan. Street food.
Ay, wow, yan, no.
Guys, gabi na at ang init. Okay, ang order natin ay meron silang something here and order menu. Tapos meat. Kasi ito, shogayaki ginger pork. Ayan, ito yung order ko. This one. The meat. Sila ate ito. Yan. Yan yung sa kanila. Yan yung akin. What's that? What's this?
Fatty tuna.
Fatty tuna.
Walang
Paano to? May half rice sila dito. Half brown rice. Pork.
Perfect!
Beef kay mommy. Beef. Masarap dun sa inyo. Ay,
Meanwhile,
Japan. Walking. Okay, nasa Airbnb na kami. Tapos, third floor. Ito yung CR. Pwede ka dito maligo. Yan, tapos merong mga shampoo, conditioner. Ito yung living space or
living room.
living room. Sorry, nakakalat ang mga bags namin. Ang
Ano?
aming sink,
Hindi nakasaksak.
microwave,
Ay, walang
ref,
walang air fryer.
Wala. Rice cooker meron.
rice cooker, yan,
Pangkulo.
stuff, hose,
What do you
stove.
expect?
Tapos dito,
Wala
meron
air
silang
fryer.
Nintendo Switch na pwedeng laruin
Nice.
sa bedroom. At ang ate kong malakas. Airbnb tour. Yun lang.